popular models and have tons of Forester, Crosstrek Wilderness, Outback, Impreza.
Get ready for a big old side of sludge. Sounds gross, right? Make sure this doesn't happen. Help protect the Hudson Canyon, its marine life, and our food.
So the Becker Headunit was sent out to Becker Autosound along with the amplifiers. We were getting an E2 error code, which is a miscommunication between the head unit and the amp that is located in the trunk. So we sent out all those units, had them checked over, rebuilt, both fully serviced by Becker Autosound. I have a feeling it was a lack of use issue with both items, but they've both been rebuilt. Hirschman.
Legends like Tom Brady, Derek Jeter, Eli.
The Hirschman power antenna functions flawlessly. Everything on this car functions flawlessly, including the AC that blows ice cold. I believe I'm going to check through the spreadsheet to see if the AC has been converted, but I believe it's still on the original R12. Car is an absolute time capsule example, and very pleased to let everyone know that the one issue with the car has been addressed, which was the E2 code I was getting on the head unit, and the car is 100% ready to go. This is the 1992 Mercedes-Benz 300D Turbo, 23,227 miles. I was just driving the car on the highway. It drives essentially like a brand new car. This is a very special car, and will be coming up for auction soon on BringaTrailer. Glad to see that we have it completely 100% sorted. That was the one issue that we were holding off on. And the stereo head unit 104.3 works flawlessly, as well as the Hirschman antenna. The sound is spectacular. Everything about this car is just spectacular. So today is August 19th, 2024. I want to wish everyone the best of luck.